The people at home have no idea how hard this is.
This thing makes you get bodied harder than usual.
It's what it's like to skate with 40 extra pounds on your body.
He doesn't need his hard flip powers for a good 6 weeks, so I'll take him for that time.
My name's Aaron Cairo. I'm a sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area. And today, we're gonna play Stupid Skate weighted vests. You gotta introduce yourself.
Oh, I'm
Jaquan.
So, you know, believe it or not, this has been requested for a while.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I also want to tell the people, we're going to play like a little tournament. So it's not just going to be Uzi and I. Uzi and I are just the first game. May the best workout artist win.
Let's go, Dan.
You gotta introduce the judges.
Hello, judge number one. Who are you?
I'm Judge. Whoa.
I'm just here.
Oh, yeah, let's get it on!
If my back doesn't go out in this game of skate, I would be a very happy person.
Dan, I've never been more proud of you. Grab. Oh! Oh! We have a special contestant calling. What? Hello? What's up? Yes, we are. We're ready for you. All right. I'll see you soon. What does that mean? That was the creepiest message I've ever heard in my life.
Is that who I thought it was?
Oh, I can't bend down for this.
Nice, Dan.
Ooh, child, things are gonna get easy. That was literally perfect. Although I almost fell over afterwards. The people at home have no idea how hard this is. This is one of those ones. It's like the weighted backpack full of books, remember that?
Hey, you want to know why I have an advantage in this field, real quick?
Because you work out all the time.
No, it's because back in August of 2017, I weighed 190 pounds,
And how much do you weigh now?
165. So there's a 25-pound weight difference that I used to be able to skate with back then and still be able to double flip and stuff.
Pikachu, I choose you!
You just Kamehameha'd him. No!
That's the thing I know about Daniel. He messes up on the easiest tricks.
Look how mad he is. You broke him. You broke him.
Don't miss it, Dan. Oh, Dan. That was good. Let's get
Oh, that was good.
Okay. Oh.
Carlos making an oil slick over here. Whoa!
Wow, I'm scared for my life.
He done did that there with authority.
Are you getting used to it?
No, my back is just inches away from exploding. Don't overthink Troy's photo.
Wow!
It popped
Making
up
leaps and
and then
bounds.
hit my back and almost knocked me out. You know what they say?
What do they say, Aaron?
UziCan'tSwitchFlip.org.
Oh. You know they changed it, right? Now iCan'tSwitchFlip.org goes to my Instagram.
Ah, got him.
I want to try this trick just one time, just because I
Dan,
just want to do it.
Aaron is not a person you want to lose your turn against.
Okay, I'll do it.
All right.
This thing makes you fall harder. I was trying to like nollie bank spin, but catch it and go back to regular.
Did no one see that?
These judges are killing me, bro.
I got you.
Bodied! Oh, this thing makes you get bodied harder than usual.
Bodied was good.
Body.
After that slam, I need some orange slices
You need
and
some
stuff.
milk, bro.
Yeah. Oh! This only happens when you guys are talking about switch flips.
girl. Uh-oh. You all right?
Yeah, totally fine. Just can't move.
Ooh.
This is painful to watch.
That's a T. That was impressive.
You've been practicing with this?
Every day. Wait, are we going right into this?
No, I thought we had one more game.
What's in one more game?
Me and you.
What? Me? I thought you were playing Emma. Gabe versus Emma. Actually, I do feel like really light now. Like I should skate with this. Whoa. Okay, Rochambeau. Battle of the century. Gabe versus Emma. That was cheater. Ready, Daniel? I'm so light! I turned the whole 180!
This is hard, Dan. Harder than I thought. This is uncomfortable.
I thought he was going for a heel flip there. Fetty's the judge.
You ever like want to participate in a video and then you do 3 tricks in the video and regret participating?
I have like nothing else that I can do.
Have to land this front shove. I'm about to break my board. Dan, this is making me so mad.
It's like weighing me down.
Don't get me started on the backside sliders.
It's so heavy. I don't know what that was supposed to be. I was just going for it.
Come on, gang. Let's try.
My lungs are collapsing.
Just imagine how good you feel after.
My calves are on fire.
Are you ready? I'm gonna land it right now. Should I throw this on him?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I've fallen and I can't get up. Help! Alright. Aaron and I play without the vest on. With or without?
With? What are you talking about without?
Alright, fine. Dude, it is so hot. This is a genuine workout.
I don't know if I can even move, let alone do any tricks at this point. All right, Ripstick God, let's go. The only way I can win this is to get into his mind. Snipe. Ha!
The only way I'll win this is if I wasn't wearing this.
Don't worry, Gabe. Every try, you'll never miss that.
Hopefully people are invested in this video.
Killing him with kindness. Oh wait, I forgot. What am I doing? This is old Braille. This is literally every single video used to be me playing a game of skate
I
with
was
Gabe.
gonna say, he better start pulling out something different because all he used to do was shoves on me.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go, come on, bring it on, boys.
Thanks, go.
I'm better now.
Let's go. With a vengeance, he's coming after me.
It's like rapid fire game.
Dang, boy! He's sweating hella. Oh, my neck, my back, my... I know we're playing dirty. We're not playing dirty, I would have done triple late flight. Oh.
You didn't have to pop it so high.
I didn't mean to. Take him out on his own level.
I'm offended that he would do such a bad varial flip on offense against me. I thought you had some more respect for me.
I'll just take a letter.
Don't you offend me with the varial flips, man. That's a good one.
He's heckling me.
We do.
He thinks that after years and years of skating with him that I can't land a front side flip off defense 2 tries. It's like he doesn't even know me anymore.
Yeah! All right, Gears of War 5, let's go.
There's a good chance that one will get me. It's okay.
That was gross.
He doesn't need his hard flip powers for a good 6 weeks, so I'll take him for that time. Thanks.
Take a man's hard flip power, that's rude. You think he's still alive?
You gave him the power.
I did. I give you the power.
I need it.
Literally like the best one I've ever done, 100%. I wish I just had more space to roll away. I've used all my power on defense.
Who is this guy?
That is it!
That was rude.
Oh.
Don't get off your board, we're not done yet.
Good game, Gabe Cruz.
Oh man, I felt that.
Oh my God! That's the best!
Just like old times, man, that was awesome.
Get me out of this thing. I can't move, I can't breathe, I can't hear, I can't think.
Whoa!
Yeah, right?
Right? That feels so cool. It feels like I can do anything. Watch this.
You won't be able to land anything.
I'm too light. I'm
now.
too light. I don't even know how to pop.
He's doing 2.
Hi, dude. Good to see you, Mario. That's it for our game. I don't even know if you need to play Carlos at this point. Do
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, we'll play. I mean, I got no vest on now.
you mind if I go get some water?
Yeah, I mind. What is this?
I think that was the best hard flip I'll probably ever land.
I'd like to think that I would give him mercy, but you know, I don't know.
No mercy.
Double flip, switch double flip.
One more kick to the chest and I'm good to go.
We finally found his weakness, an additional 40 pounds. Should I just wear him out with shove-its?
Let's go.
Before my lungs collapse, let's do this.
Dang it.
Keep it basic.
I kind of want the vest back, it helped me. still can do every trick.
That sends me down so fast.
There's two ways to win a war. The one way is that you wear the opponent down. You see? They call it a war of attrition. The other way is to deliver such a big blow that it ends them instantly. You know what I mean?
Wait, which one are you gonna?
Only time will tell. Might have been the sketchiest tray double flip I've ever done.
See, I can't jump, so there's no point.
It's like literally impossible. Probably I shouldn't just do a bunch of double flips.
Dude, that's so crazy.
I forgot we had the same stance. Why am I gonna miss this?
If you didn't say you're gonna miss it, you would have got it.
Go in my head, mate.
Jeez.
Should I try a backside flip again? I feel like I shouldn't, but I will. Gabe, for you.
That tires you out.
All right, Gabe, for you, baby. Let's go. Yeah.
Triple?
Dang.
I'm like running out of energy quick.
Yeah, it might be like a one time only. Like I either land that trip flip or I don't. Last try, last try. Ollie body burial. Pressure or inward heel. You could do pressure though. I'm okay with pressure.
He did the flick. He flicked.
I'm okay
official?
with pressure.
It's official. I reviewed the slow motion.
Johnny Geiger taught me how to do the trick. There's a secret.
You gotta tell me the secret, what he said.
I don't want to tell you because you can do it.
I can kinda do it.
Mess you.
I'm just gonna go for the pressure. See, it just drags me to the ground.
Yeah, boy! Nobody will understand how hard that is. Really, really, really hard.
That's crazy. It's almost like to skate with 40 extra pounds on your body. Get my
Dang.
boosty air.
You sweating, girl. How do you feel now, though?
Let me try a big flip. We'll see what happens. Oh, I'm like, dude.
That was a good
Oh,
game. You
thank you.
killed it. Woo! The only way I can beat Carlos is if he adds an additional 40 pounds of weighted vest. It's not only 40 pounds, but it's not like it's like distributed well. It's like flying in and out. And so anytime your weight moves, it like goes.
Weigh the anchor.
And I still probably would have lost.
Let's
So
start
for you.
feeding him a lot. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you, learn to skateboard. It is your time. It is super fun. Get your skateboard, brailleskateboarding.com. Let's go.